Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and overstimulated by your own home? Yeah, I've been there too. What's up, family? My name is Brianna, and welcome to Kingdom Organized Mentality, where I help overwhelmed minds overcome the flight and freeze response by giving you realistic tools to improve your space. And in today's video, I'm so excited because we're diving into the profound connection between the clutter in your home and how it's affecting your mind and body. So let's dive right in. Overstimulation. Now, our mind processes 2 million bits of information per second. Crazy, right? Now, most of that gets generalized, distorted, or deleted. And when we're overstimulated, what happens is our subconscious mind is deeming these bits of information as important, needs to be taken care of. And so when we see all of these important tasks, like the kids' homework on the table, the dirty dishes that need to be washed, that pile of laundry that's been sitting there in the basket for 2 weeks that needs to still be folded, this can cause us to become overstimulated, which is overwhelming. And this in turn can cause you to be agitated, aggressive, and just plain grumpy, okay? Number 2, stress and anxiety. When you're surrounded by clutter all of the time, this can cause stress to begin to build in your body. And as I'm sure you know, my love, stress is a silent killer. And we already have so many stressors outside of the home. When we come into our home, we should be able to relax and have a sense of peace. Now, with stress, it can cause inflammation in our body, and this can lead to heart issues like high blood pressure and sometimes even strokes. Now, anxiety, if you've ever had anxiety, enough said, right? But if you're new and have never had anxiety, which is a blessing, then it can cause inability to breathe, you can not focus, it feels like the world is blurry and all of your senses are blurring. And this I can correlate with the freeze response, where I'm like, I have nothing. Like, my brain is not working. I don't know how to even, what is my name? Basically, right? So with stress and anxiety, it causes so many different issues, and we don't need those issues when we come into our home. Hey, real quick before I get to number 3, if you're getting value from this and are learning something new, then go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It would mean the world to me to have you as a part of the family. And make sure you stay tuned because we're starting our decluttering challenge today. So hop on board with this 21-day decluttering challenge and take charge of your home. All right, now let's get back into the content. Number 3 is decision fatigue. Now, as we've said before, when you're overstimulated by literally everything in your home, the simplest stuff can be so hard to do. For example, when you're in your closet trying to pick out clothes, but there's everything everywhere at the same time. So it takes you an additional 20 minutes, which should have just taken you 5. Also, when you are in the pantry and it's just all of this stuff, and you just stand there staring, and now dinner is, again, 30 minutes late. Or if you're trying to eat healthier, but all of the healthy stuff is behind the junk food, you're not about to dig to find the healthy stuff. You're gonna pick out those Cheeto Puffs and enjoy them. If you have cluttered countertops, it can really cause you the inability to decide what step you need to take first in order to clear the counters. Decision fatigue is linked to the inability to do simple things, and then you become agitated because you can't do simple things. Number 4 is how clutter affects your sleep. Legit. Having a cluttered space can really throw off your sleep groove.
No! You threw off my groove!
I'm sorry, but you've thrown off the Emperor's groove.
Sorry! You were saying?
Your subconscious mind is constantly running. And so if your subconscious mind still sees all of these important tasks as unfinished, then you're not going to be able to get a restful sleep because you're going to be thinking, oh, when I get up, I have to clean the dishes before I can make breakfast for the kids. Or, oh, I need to dig through the basket of clean clothes so that I can find my children clothes to wear. And where did I put my keys? Like, anyone, please help. Now, any one of these or all of them combined can lead to serious emotional distress, like lack of confidence, isolation, and those as well can cause depression. So your clutter isn't just, it's just a pile here and there. No, your clutter is ruining your life. If you find yourself being isolated or not wanting friends to come over because you then have to shove every single thing into one room, or you are depressed and can't find the motivation to clean or can't find the motivation to start, it's time to start decluttering. So with all of this information, you might be feeling a bit of a tug of war inside, like, yes, I'm about to get up and clean everything. I'm throwing it all out. I can do this. And then you look around and you are instantly overwhelmed and you're like, never mind. I'm just gonna, just sit down and pretend I can't see it. I got you. I understand, and that's why this next video is overcoming the overwhelm. So make sure you stick around in this series because I'm going to be teaching you all things about decluttering. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, fam.